Hey guys, I'm Chris Hudson from Hudson Lighting. Welcome. We're doing some Kaizen events this week. So this week what you expect to see is we're going to go into the electronics area, the assembly area, the powder coating area and the machining area. And we're going to be looking at all those areas, looking at our processes, trying to improve our quality, our time and just the overall process to make sure that it's easier for everyone to do. Right guys, I'm going to do this assembly. I'm going to try and get the time to get the hinge on to the base and see whether or not there's any better ways that we can actually do it. And this is a 4-metre lead, so it's quite significant in terms of what you've got to pull through. Probably the most difficult ones. Right, hey guys, we're going to do a Kaizen on some spike lights right now. So Cameron's going to do a couple of different builds on the spikes. We're going to try and identify the different wastes and try and reduce our build time and increase our build quality. So Cam, what were your struggles with that build?
Well, some of the difficulties I had was the box being on the floor and the wasted motion of bending down and trying to even find the part in there. So we've implemented this to help find the parts easier and hopefully easier to grab. Also, with the LEDs, they come in this, and just taking out and even trimming them beforehand was a wasted time. So now I'm going to rebuild the light using the part holder and see how it goes. Well, after that build, the main issue I ran into was with the grub screws. How they were too fiddly to get out of this little square pocket that we had for them.
So guys, as you can see, we saved ourselves 1:25 just by literally moving some of our components about and getting better positions for everything else. So the idea of Kaizen is basically to help us reduce our production time so that we can produce more lights for you and we can produce them at a higher quality, ensuring that everything goes through the same process every single time and is thoroughly tested so that when you get the product to site, it works perfectly every single time. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon.